may be wondering, where the fuck are those videos? Wait, leave that. Fuck. Okay. Whoops. I don't, as you can tell, I don't care about, cussing. Anyway.
She has a potty mouth.
It's pretty clean potty mouth. Anyway. Well, Diane goes to college at Wayne State College. Not university.
Not in Michigan.
Not in Michigan, in Nebraska.
Woo.
And well, so we're not exactly together all the time, so we don't have time to do the videos. And then sometimes when we are together, we don't want to, make videos. We just want to hang out. So yeah.
We have lives.
Yeah. So we're making this video to tell you that this summer there's probably be a lot more to come.
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Yeah. We're at Holmes Lake in Lincoln, Nebraska.
Yeah.
Our version of a beach. Although we do have Winona Beach, but we don't want to drive there.
Yeah.
See, look, isn't it so entertaining there, I have to throw a rock, and it never hit the water. You'll never know what water feels like.
Oh, mine hit the water.
Isn't Nebraska so entertaining? Why did you move here?